South Republic coming at you live from Michigan. We're about to unbox a one-of-a-kind item out here, folks. This is the legendary Mike Tyson Futurola Knockout roll machine. Let's go. We're about to bust this bad boy open and see what's inside.